Hi, I'm Brooks Hanson with Camp Chef. We're here at SHOT Show 2022 and talk about a couple new items from Camp Chef. So we've had propane fire pits for the last 25 years. They went under cosmetic surgery and got a full facelift. So this is our new Ponderosa 24-inch gas fire pit. And then we've got the Juniper and we've got the Redwood. So they come in at 18, 16, and 24-inch. 55,000 BTU hours burn time, and then the 18 and the 24 have a 64,000 BTU burn time. Awesome for when you're in a campsite, when you're in a burn restricted area. You have to check your local listings, but most of these will be approved in those areas. So when you're in a place where it's dry or drought, you want to have an awesome campfire, roast some marshmallows, maybe hot dogs for the kids, these Camp Chef fire pits will get you taken care of. They've got an awesome new knob, self-igniting, just a really cool thing here at Camp Chef for 2022.